Well, lung diseases are extremely common, amongst the commonest causes of death in the world, and so it's very important that we diagnose them early in order to give the most appropriate therapy as soon as possible.
Well, the problem for clinicians who are treating lung-based diseases is it's very hard to know what's actually going on.
Most people, when they have lung disease, clinicians will basically guess what's wrong with them. They'll try maybe an X-ray that gives them a non-specific picture. They might take a blood sample, some urine, but it doesn't tell them what's going on in the lung. Because to do that, you need to go into the lung, get a liquid sample, get it out. Now that is very dangerous.
Being able to actually collect some of the material from deep in the lung in a non-invasive way, that gives them an insight that can help them treat a patient way more effectively and quickly. And it's also very positive for the patient.
PBM Hale exists to enable clinically actionable lung flu diagnostics anywhere.
Well, I think the important message is that this is a new device that's very easy for patients to use because they just have to breathe normally into it, and it collects a very valuable sample.
We spent a lot of time thinking and designing and optimizing and testing and evaluating not only a prototype, but also a mass-produced unit that can do this.
So what's really important now is for us to take what we know to be the case out into the clinical setting and let the clinicians discover that this device can really give them the insights that they'd never been able to easily access before.
We've faced a lot of problems. We had some very tense moments, and yet what I'm proudest of is how we've kept it together with one clear mission in mind.
Well, it's wonderful to see the fruition of this project. So I'm very excited to actually see the product and hold it in my hands.
We're just getting the product launched. We're starting to do the marketing. We're pulling everything together. Everybody will know about this in this sector soon because it is so remarkable. It's going to blow everyone's socks off.
We have a whole community to work on it, to explore it. And I think now the journey begins. PBM Hale is going to be used by talented and gifted people. And I'm so excited to see what people are going to be making with PBM Hale.
I'm hoping that healthcare and care home settings will be looking on how they can bring this in so that they can prevent people from going to hospitals and improve people's lives.
What's next is to prove it, to show that this product is as good as we think it is. What it becomes in the future will be what we make of it and what clinicians make of it when they get to use it. So it has all the potential in the world. Right now that potential is untapped.